There's a lot to be excited about at Folks Middle School. And it's more than just the 7th grade football team. Today, the school is celebrating one of its teachers and surprising her with the announcement she's the KENS 5 2018-2019 Excel Award winner for the Northside School District.
Thank you all very much.
I was shocked. I was still taken aback. I wasn't quite sure what was going on. Okay, so you guys were sharing your leads. You said you got the flashback lead, so what was the flashback?
Lizeth Sampayo has been with Northside for 20 years. She's taught ELA and now teaches English as a second language. She's always known she loves to be in the classroom.
I wanted to make a difference in this world. I wanted something that was going to impact the world.
And Lizeth knows the impact teachers can make. She struggled with English as a child, but was encouraged by several teachers.
Had a couple of teachers who really believed in me and eventually led me to believe in myself. It really impacted me, the difference teachers can make in something simple like just them believing in you and being there for you. Who else wants to share their hook or their lead?
And now she wants to be that same support for her students.
It's the relationships you make with them and being one of the people that encourages them, that is that pat on the back or that applause that you give them as they go on their journey.
As for being honored with this award,
it's humbling because there are just so many amazing teachers, co-workers that I've worked with in my career that I've learned from. That's good. What made you decide to do the flashback?
that's a look at what's going on around Northside. Thanks for joining us for this video from Northside Media Productions. Northside is San Antonio's premier school district of choice.